Dear students, look at the several examples of rational numbers in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 with no common factor other than 1 and having terminating decimal expansion. What property q must satisfy? So this is a problem. Now before solving this problem, let me explain what is a rational number? So a rational number is a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q in their simplest form have 1 as the common factor and they have decimal expansions which are either terminating or recurring and non-terminating in nature. Remember, the rational numbers have decimal expansions which are either terminating or recurring and non-terminating. So, let me give examples while solving this problem. So 1 by 2, 3 over 2, 3 over 4, 1 over 4, 1 over 5, 3 over 5, 1 over 25, 3 over 25, 1 over 20, 3 over 100, 3 over 250. So, these are all the examples which yield terminating decimals. So, when I divide 1 by 2, I'll get the answer 0.5. So 3 by 2, 1.5, 3 over 4, 0.75, 1 by 4, 0.25, 1 by 5, 0.2, 3 by 5, 0.6, 1 by 25, 0.04, 3 by 25, 0.12, 1 by 20, 0.05, 3 by 100, 0.03, 3 by 250 is equal to 0.012. In all these rational numbers you find terminating decimals. Now I am going to focus on the denominators of these rational numbers. So denominator means q here. Here q is 2, here 2, 4, 4, 5, 5, 20, 25, 25, 100, 250. So I want to factorize the denominator, means q. So what type of factors? Prime factors. So q is equal to 2 because factor of 2 is 2. You may ask 1 is also a factor, but I am writing the prime factors. So I can write 2 as 2 to the power of 1. Here factor of 2 is 2. So I can write this as 2 to the power of 1. So here q is 4. I can write this as 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 to the power of 2. The prime factors of 4 are 2 and 2. So in terms of powers I can write 2 to the power of 2. Here q is equal to 4. I can write 4 as 2 into 2, 2 to the power of 2. So here q is equal to 5. I can write 5 to the power of 1. Here q is equal to 5. I can write this as 5 to the power of 1. Here q is equal to 25. I can write 25 5 into 5 equal to 5 to the power of 2. Here q is equal to 25. I can write this as 5 into 5. This is 5 to the power of 2. Here q is equal to 20. I can write 20 as 2 into 10. Again 2 into 10 as 2 into 5. So this is equal to 2 times a year. We write 2 square and 5 to the power of 1. 100. So q is equal to 100. So that is equal to 4 times 25. Can write 4 as 2 into 2. Here into is there. 25 I can write as 5 into 5. So 2 square into 5 square. In this rational number, I have q is 250. So I can write 250 as 2 into 125. So 2 as it is. 125 I can write as 5 into 5. So this can be written as 5 to the power of 3. Now look at the prime factors of q in all these examples. The prime factors of 2 is 2. Here prime factors of q is 2. Here prime factors of q is 2 and 2. Here prime factor of q is 2 and 2. Here prime factor is q is 5. Here prime factor of 5 is 5. Here prime factors of 25 is 5 and 5. Here prime factor of 25 5 and 5. Here prime factor of 20 is 2 and 5. Here prime factors of 100 is 2 5 and 5. Here prime factor of 250 is 5 and 2. Now I express the prime factors as the powers of prime factors. Say 2 as 2 to the power of 1. Yes, 2 as 2 to the power of 1. 4 as 2 to the power of 2. 4 as 2 to the power of 2. 5 as 5 to the power of 1. 5 as 5 to the power of 1. 25 is 5 square. 25 is 5 square. 20 as 2 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of 1. 100 as 2 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of 2. 250 as 2 to the power of 1 into 5 to the power of 3. Now the prime factors of q. Let us focus on prime factors of q. The prime factorization of q must have powers of 2. See here, powers of 2. Or prime factorization of q must have powers of 5. See here, powers of 5. Or prime factorization of q must have both the powers of 2 and 5. Look, both the powers of 2 and 5, both the powers of 2 and 5, both the powers of 2 and 5. So finally we can write what property q must satisfy. So prime factorization of q must have powers of 2. See, powers of 2 or powers of 5. See here, powers of 5 or powers of both 2 and 5. See, powers of both 2 and 5, powers of 2 and 5, powers of both 2 and 5. Finally, prime factorization of q must have powers of 2 or powers of 5 or powers of both 2 and 5.